Check that out. Cap'n Crunch's Berrytastic Pancake Mix. That's what today is, and check it out. They got their own syrup. Cap'n Crunch's Ocean Blue Maple Flavored Syrup. Oh, this is going to be awesome, Maddie. Hey. And we're cooking on the Blackstone Adventure Ready flat griddle. That's right. All right, let's get the mix going. The main part is, you can go watch my timeline to say when the cook starts, when the taste test starts, if you don't want to go through the whole thing. We'll be right back. The first downfall, look at that. It's just powder in a box. Who does just powder in a box? There you go. We're done. So Maddie's got it all mixed up now. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like little green and red little dots in there. This is going to be really cool. All right, let's throw down some butter. Here we go. Let's see what this first one looks like. See if we can get two out of that. It does have a, I don't know if you can smell it or not, but I smell berry. Maddie. You know, it's kind of nice that I've taught her how to cook and I can go and do some yard work and stuff, but I just came back over. I think she just did a pitiful job. We'll see how this goes. It's all Maddie now. I'm going to make the last pancake, okay? Papa's making one right there. All right. This is what we got. I'm going to tell you this. Maddie made some pancakes. Papa made these and we put them on top of hers because hers look like that over there. Alright, let's get the taste test on. You eat yours, I'll eat mine. Oh yeah, you did a fantastic job on that one. We're going to see what this stuff tastes like. Very good. Yeah. Get that sucker all over that. Check that out. Oh, this is great. It's what, 7 in the morning? This is going to be a fantastic breakfast. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, we should try one without the sauce first. I don't know. Tastes like a pancake. Huh. I just go in with this. It tastes like a regular pancake pretty much, doesn't it? The blueberry syrup's pretty good. But, gave me the hiccups. It's good. It really is. Little berry taste to it. I don't see it being much different. Maybe a little sweeter than a regular pancake, but it's good. No breakfast is complete. No meal is complete without bacon. Why so blue? She's wiping her bacon in the syrup. Alright. Would I buy this again? Yeah. There's nothing wrong with it. The only thing I don't like is they need to put it in a bag like Bisquick or something. It doesn't need to be batter in a box. Alright, y'all. Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and Maddie. We will see y'all next Sunday. See ya. Hit that bell.